With its clever technology and stylish design, this induction hob from AEG is ideal if you're looking for a model to help you get creative in the kitchen. There are 4 induction zones for safe and responsive cooking, which can hold pans of various sizes, perfect whether you're cooking a little or a lot. You'll always have the perfect hob space for every pan, thanks to AEG's MaxiSense Zones. You can position any size pan on the cooking surface, and as long as it covers the areas marked with a cross, the hob will detect the size and shape of your cookware. This is unlike standard induction hobs, which have limited cooking space. Now you can easily create lots of different meals or large batches of bolognese. This model has incredible hob-to-hood technology that allows your cooker hood and hob to work together to keep your kitchen free of steam. Clever sensors monitor the number of cooking zones in use and the settings for each one. This means when you add or remove pans from the hob, the cooker hood will change its performance to match. So, whether you're preparing a small snack or a 3-course dinner with friends, the air in your kitchen will always be perfectly clean and clear. If you enjoy getting creative in the kitchen and are looking for an induction hob with clever technology, this stylish model from AEG is the one for you.